Hi, to turn on and off call announcement on iPhone 16e, firstly, we are gonna open settings. Now scroll all the way down to check this tab apps. And in here, you need to find phone app. So I'm gonna manually enter phone, and here it is. And now all is left is to select Announce Call tab. And as you can see, we got 4 options. So if you want to enable call announcement, then pick one of 3 options, always headphones and car or headphones only. Just by tapping it like that, you can read short description just under each of the feature. And to disable calls announcement, just pick this option never. And that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.